Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we'll be installing new taillights on a 2023 Honda Civic hatchback. Tools required for install: handheld ratchet, 8mm socket, extension, panel popper, Phillips screwdriver, finally masking tape. First, we open the hatch. Now that we have the hatch open, go ahead and apply masking tape. Repeat the same process on the other side. First, remove your black trim. Now you can remove two 8mm bolts. Starting off at the bottom, pop it out, up, clip, holding the harness, disconnect your reverse, park and brake, repeat the same process on the other side. I'm going to remove 4 Phillips screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uncover one of the Phillips, popping off the little cap. Remove the Phillips. Go ahead and remove your trunk liner. Go ahead and remove your piece. Repeat the same process on the other side. Now to remove your inner tail light, go ahead and unplug your reverse, brake, put it off to the side. Now remove 1, 2, 3 8mm nuts. Pull the inner tail light up from inside and out. Repeat the same process on the other side. Now that we have both inner tail lights uninstalled, go ahead and put them on a soft surface. Don't damage your lens. Remove 1, 2, 3 mounting clip. Mount 1, 2, 3. Set to the side. New tail light. In, 2, now you're ready to install your inner tail light. Go ahead and align your 1, 2, 3 with 1, 2, and 3. Tuck your harness in first. Should click into place. Reinstall your 8mm nuts and tighten them first. 1, Repeat the same process on the other side. Reinstall your side piece and your intel light. When routing your new tail light harness, make sure that left is with left, right is with right. Crossing them will interfere with turn signal function. So to tuck in our welcome light harness, you remove your weather strip just up to this point. Now you just pull back on your panels. Now we're going to remove a cap that will expose our Phillips holding that panel. Remove. Repeat the same process to the other side. Your panel popper, you're going to go ahead and remove your panel. Repeat the same process on the other side. Feed your wire in the back. Let's connect it. Make sure your right hand side head is connected with your right hand. Make sure your left hand is with your left hand side tail light. Tuck in your excess wire. Grab your two ends. Feed them through this little slot. Now grab both of your ends through the loom. So now that we've fed the wires through here, make sure that you pull your wires out through the side of the panel, tuck them in, fix your grommet. So same thing, once we've pulled this back, go ahead and grab the tip of your harness, feed it through, tuck in your wire underneath the green mounting clips so that you don't crush your wire. Pop it into place. Go ahead and push or pull out your rubber grommet, exposing the back of the tail light. From the back, run your wire. We don't need a lot. Should be enough. Reinstall your rubber grommet. Now that we've hosed our line through the tail light harness, go ahead and fix your wire through the back. Just tuck it underneath the mounting clips so that you don't crush those in between. And your tail light, connect your parking, turn signal. Don't forget your welcome light. Fix into place. Align your mounting points. 1, 2. Reinstall your two 8mm bolts. Again, tighten them first. Finally, reinstall your plastic trim that covers your 8mm bolts. Pop it into place. Now repeat the same process on the other side. So now that we've wired our welcome light harness through the back, made sure that all of our panels were put back into place, go ahead and reinstall your 2 Phillips screws. We'll do the same process on the other side. Go ahead and grab your weather strip. Start off on one side, firmly push it. Make sure it cups over your panel. Remove your masking tape.